BMW X3 General Repairs. Bayerische Motoren Werke AG, commonly referred to as BMW, is a German multinational corporate manufacturer of luxury vehicles and motorcycles headquartered in Munich, Bavaria, Germany. While delivering luxury and practicality, the 2022 BMW X3 SUV also channels sports sedans from BMW's past to blend driving fun into the equation. Its balanced chassis and well-tuned steering makes it a surprisingly willing partner on a twisty road. And both of its available turbocharged powertrains, either a 4 or 6-cylinder, provide plenty of power. The X3's cabin is comfortable and upscale if conservative in its design. It's a nice place to spend time, even if some rivals, including the Mercedes-Benz GLC class and the Volvo XC60, have it beat on style. BMW has incorporated plenty of tech into the X3, including 2 digital dashboard displays as well as a host of driver assistance features. Overall, the X3 is well-rounded, but it's the agile handling and gutsy turbo engines that make it one of our favorite BMWs and an Editor's Choice winner for 2022. Servicing your BMW X3 is essential for maintaining its performance, longevity, and safety. Regular maintenance helps address potential issues early on and ensures that your vehicle continues to operate at its best. Here are general guidelines for BMW X3 service. Regular maintenance. Oil changes. Change the engine oil and replace the oil filter at regular intervals. BMW typically recommends synthetic oil. Fluid checks. Regularly check and top off fluids, including coolant, brake fluid, power steering fluid, transmission fluid, and windshield washer fluid. Tire maintenance. Rotate the tires at regular intervals to ensure even wear. Check tire pressure regularly and replace tires when needed. Brake inspection. Regularly inspect the brake system, including brake pads, rotors, and brake fluid. Replace components as necessary. Air filter replacement. Replace the engine air filter to maintain optimal engine performance. Cabin air filter. Replace the cabin air filter to ensure clean air inside the vehicle. Spark plug replacement. Replace spark plugs at the recommended interval for your specific BMW X3 model. Periodic inspections. Suspension and steering. Inspect the suspension and steering components for wear or damage. Exhaust system. Check the exhaust system for leaks or damage. Battery check. Inspect the battery for corrosion and check its charge. Replace the battery if needed. Manufacturer recommendations. Refer to the owner's manual for your specific BMW X3 model and follow the manufacturer's recommended service schedule. This schedule typically outlines specific maintenance tasks and intervals. Professional servicing. While some maintenance tasks can be done by car owners, more complex tasks and inspections should be performed by qualified professionals at authorized BMW service centers or reputable auto repair shops. Additional considerations. If you experience any unusual noises, vibrations, or warning lights, address them promptly by consulting a qualified service professional. Regularly check for recalls or service campaigns related to your BMW X3. Manufacturers may issue updates or recalls for specific issues. Always consult your owner's manual for the specific maintenance requirements of your BMW X3 model and follow the recommended intervals. This ensures that your vehicle remains in optimal condition and helps prevent potential issues.